So I'm at a very cool mid-century church. Look at all these mid-century lights. There's some up there, although you can't see them. And then there's antique ceiling fans. There's 3 GEs and 1 Hunter. All the way at the end, I'll try to do a video of the fans before I leave. There's a Hunter all the way at the end, like R52, and then 3 GEs, and all these really cool mid-century lights. And they're obviously updating. It's a very modern church, more modern than mine. They got all these LED lights and the cool backdrop and all that kind of stuff. But they're still keeping the old stuff too. So it's actually really cool. And we'll see if I get a chance to do another video. It's a huge building with a gym